Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brittany, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. So this video is going to be a video showing a quick dinner night. This is going to be chicken fajitas, and I'm using this fajita mix that I'm going to show you guys later. So right now I'm just showing you all of the seasonings that I used in my, to season my chicken. These are the chicken strips I'm showing you here. So of course, whatever brand, or if you want to get chicken breasts and then cut it, you can. But we're just going to cube these, or at least that's how I cut mine. You can cut yours a different way. And I'm showing you that I have a bell pepper and an onion that I'm going to cut up. And so right now, I'm showing you how I am cutting up my bell peppers. Now, normally I would saute my onions and bell pepper probably before I throw my chicken in, just so that it's sauteed and done and out of the way. But you're gonna see in this video, I actually had forgot about the bell pepper and onions, and I ended up just having to add that in later, but you'll see that later in the video. So this is just how I'm cutting up my bell peppers. I don't really have a proper name for the way that I'm cutting them. You just do whatever works for you. If you want to cube it, you can cube it, dice it, whatever. And this is just what I'm doing to my onion and my bell pepper. Now, I didn't cut up a whole lot because I am the only one who would be eating the bell pepper and onion. My girls like onions, but they're not like a big, huge fan of them. So I'm just cutting that up for myself. You do, whatever, fits you and your family. Whatever seasonings, whatever veggies you want to cut up, do whatever works best for you. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to cut up 2 Roma tomatoes, and then I'm going to cut a lemon in a second. But I just slice the tomato down, 2 ways, and then I turn it and do the same thing. And then this is how I dice up my tomatoes for my tacos, or my fajita tacos. Well, any taco basically. Anytime I'm cutting up tomato, this is how I cut them up. And I like to pick quick dinners that I can make like throughout the week, because I'm always busy, like literally almost every day. I feel like I have something to do. So I like to pick dinners throughout the week on my busier days that are quick. And this is one of the dinners that's pretty quick. And so now I'm just showing you the lemon. I just cut that in half because I'm just going to squeeze that on my fajitas. So now I'm just adding in some vegetable oil to the pan. And you guys see the chicken has been seasoned, and I just put that in there, and I'm going to cook that up. Now that my chicken has cooked, I'm going to just move it to the side, and I'm going to add a little bit more oil in my onions and bell peppers to the pan. Like I said, I would have done this beforehand, but I kind of forgot, even though I had already cut up the vegetables. I don't know, I wasn't thinking clearly, I guess. And I'm going to add some garlic pepper to my onions and bell peppers just to season it a little bit. And you'll see me add that in just a second. And then I'm just going to kind of, let those kind of saute a bit. And I'm going to mix that together with the chicken. This is the classic fajita skillet sauce, and I think it's by Frontera. I think I'm saying that right. But you just follow the instructions on the back. So don't worry about all the stuff at the bottom of the pan, because that's going to come up when I add in the fajita sauce, which just adds more flavor and taste to that sauce. And as you can see, you can kind of see it kind of pulled up a lot of that leftover, stuff from the chicken. And all I'm going to do is just add my chicken and bell pepper and onion to the sauce and just mix it up. And then that's pretty much it. You let it kind of simmer in the sauce, and then you can start adding it to your tortillas or whatever you want to add it to. Now, I ran out of space on my camera, so I did not get to show you the finished product as far as in the actual tortilla, but you guys will see me add some butter to a tortilla, and I kind of put that on a pan to kind of heat it up and get the tortilla nice and warm. But that's basically it. That is why I like doing, different meals like this on the days that I have other things to do, like basketball with my daughter, or church, and so it looks really good. It's making me want some now. But this is the butter on the tortilla. I'm just going to add that on the pan, and I'm going to add a little bit more butter on the other side and then flip it over. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and don't forget